The advantages of the NeoGrip surgical instruments that I've designed are: number one, decreased muscle cramp and fatigue. Number two, they work ergonomically with the surgeon's wrists and hand. And number three, easier to maneuver in tight spaces. In the demonstration, we see the slender design of the instrument. The rings have been removed to improve the ergonomic angles and grip of the instrument. A quick release ratchet has been added to the instrument. A pencil grip or other grips can be used very easily by manipulating the instrument in the hand. The pencil grip can go very simply from holding it between the fingers to a palm grip where the thumb now manipulates the shank. The instrument can be released with the thumb. In this simple demonstration of suturing, the slender design of the needle driver can be appreciated. As the needle is pulled through, another throw is set, taking the needle with a tip, holding in a palm grip. The needle driver is then set. A very tight, narrow turn can be made. The two shanks are squeezed together and the needle is released and then grabbed and pulled through. In demonstrating another throw, the tips grab the needle. It is locked. A very tight angle can be taken. With a turn of the wrist, the two shanks will be squeezed together. The needle is released and then pulled through to give a very nice suture line.